everyone, my name is Damilola Wednesday Cakes and Crafts. Okay, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make your sugar lace. A lace like this, but edible lace that you can use for your cake decoration. Now, just with simple ingredients in your bakery, you're going to do this sugar lace. You don't need to go and buy your sugar lace mixture from the baker's shop. So please subscribe to my channel and let's get started. See you.
So what I'll be needing for the sugar lace is very hot water, my glucose, CMC, icing sugar, and cornflour. So that is my glucose, adding it into the hot water. Ensure your water is very hot. Allow it to melt into it before you add your CMC. At this point, your CMC might develop a little lump, but ensure you mix well till you have a smooth consistency. You can allow it to rest and all the lumps will disappear. So once you have a smooth consistency, then you move to adding your icing sugar into it. Your corn flour comes last. So once you've mixed, you can add any color of choice at this point. Now I'm using white color because I want it to be white. I'm using a Cabado color. You can use any color of choice. You can also use your dust at this point. So this is my silicone mat, and there are varieties of it in the market. So all you need to do is just spread your mixture evenly on the mat and scrape off any excesses on the mat. You can do that to any kind of mats. As I said, we have various mats in the market. This is another kind of design. So once this is done, there are 3 ways of drying it. It's either you leave it for 24 hours. You can use your heat cupboard. In this case, I use my heat cupboard. Then you can also use your oven to dry it. Just ensure it doesn't dry too hard and make it cracky. So once it's dry, just remove carefully from your mat and you have your beautiful designs coming off. There you have it, lovely sugar lace ready for your cake decoration. So you can see it's very flexible, very flexible. So you can use this on all forms of cake: fondant, buttercream, whipped cream. You can use it on all forms of cake, just as you have it here. If you love my video, please subscribe to my channel. Click the subscribe button below. Thanks for watching.